What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be going to the beach. I might be jumping in. We have my sister going. We have some cousins. This is one of our cousins, and we have my uncle going and Lincoln, who is my other cousin. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? Today we are going to find cool rocks and we are going to sell them. I'll see you later after I dive and get them. Bye! Hey guys, we found a bunch of rocks and I made a little thing to put them in and we might sell them. Bye!
Today, guys. No cards. Great day.
Subscribe, thanks for watching this video, and do the bell notification, and hit that like button. Bye, thanks